watching JLuvio6 Multimedia.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 5, effective until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Bowie, Cass, Marion, and Morris.
County!
Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
Finally, kick it off.
Severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 5 has been issued until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time Saturday for the following counties in Texas: Bowie, Cass, Marion, and Morris. You're listening to your weather radio, station WNG 653, broad.
Wow.
25 megahertz. Be sure to follow us on Facebook. Here's a look at local weather
Been a long time
conditions
since I've
as
heard
of
that
5
tone.
p.m. At the top of the hour.
What is it?
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm
SVR.
warning for west central McCurtain County in southeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Red River County in northeastern Texas until 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Weather radio.
At 6:57 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles west of Manchester, or 15 miles northeast of Paris, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Idabel, Broken Bow, Manchester, Wright City, Valiant, Detroit, Millerton, Garvin, Farmers Hill, Roof, Woodland, Redland, Silver City, Kanawha, Holly Creek, Glover, Kiamasia, Slim, Albion, and Oak Hill. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central
First
Standard
SVR
Time for
capture
southeastern
ever.
Oklahoma and northeastern Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Still don't know why the only message it's
Repeating,
received so
a
far is
severe
that tornado
thunderstorm
watch.
warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: McCurtain, Oklahoma, and Red River, Texas.
TOR!
McCurtain County in southeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Red River County in northeastern Texas until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:06 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Manchester, or 17 miles southeast of Hugo, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Still don't know
Damage to
why
roofs,
they go off.
windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of west central McCurtain and northwestern Red River counties, including the following locations: Redland, Kanawha, Farmers Hill, Garvin, Millerton, Valiant, Kiamasia, Slim, and Woodland. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night.
Oh yeah.
Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: McCurtain, Oklahoma, and Red River, Texas.
That's 2 counties, Paul.